Hi, it's Scott from Your Store Wizards, and today I'm going to help you solve a problem. The warehouse just called and they said, hey, we've got 50 new items that just came in that need to be added to the store. Now, you can go ahead and do those items one by one in the back end of your store. It's probably going to take a little bit of time, or you can use our free import products tool to upload those products to your store in bulk. And yes, I said free. YourStoreTools.com has a whole suite of tools that you can use for free for your BigCommerce store. URL uploader, download product images, import-export products, import-export categories. We also have some premium tools there as well. But today I'm going to show you how to use our import products tool to get these new products into your store quick and easy. So the first thing that we need to do is create a spreadsheet with our new items in it. Now, I'm just going to be using Google Sheets because this is just going to be a simple CSV file that we're going to be creating. Now, with your file, you have to include 4 things: product ID, product name, category, and type. Now, for product ID, let's talk about that for just a moment. These are new items that are being added to your store. So you're going to include the column, but leave the fields blank because BigCommerce is automatically going to create product IDs once these items are imported into the store. So the column has to be there, but the fields are going to be blank. Product name, self-explanatory. Category. So the category that you want to place these items in, you're going to put in the number for that category. And that number can be found by going to products and categories in your store and simply hovering over each individual category, and you'll see a URL in your browser. And at the end of that URL is going to be a number. And in this instance, for new items, it's number 27. That is the numerical value for the category. So I'm going to put 27 in there because that's going to dump these items into my new products category. The type itself can either be downloadable or physical. These are physical products that are going to be leaving our warehouse, so they're going to be physical. There's my SKU, my description, price, weight, and UPC. If you want to include more data into your CSV file, you can go ahead and do that. There's a lot of fields that you can map, which I'm going to be showing you in our next step. So let's go ahead and save this, download as a CSV, and head on over to our Your Store Tools dashboard, where we're going to use the Import Products tool to bring these products into our BigCommerce store. So let's click on it. From here, we're going to browse for our file, and we're going to choose those new items. It uploads, and now we're going to map our fields. So ID is going to go to product ID. Here's our product name. SKU and UPC already mapped over. So did the type, description, and price. Look at all these other fields that you can map as well. Category is going to be category. If I wanted to include a brand, I can in there as well. There's my weight that got mapped over. And there's more things that you can map as well. Just click on next. I can choose to be notified by email when the file import is complete, but this is only going to take a second. So we're just going to click no and hit submit. You can watch the process take place right here. Should be done right now. There we are. Now let's head over to our BigCommerce store, view our products, and there they are. My 2 new items are now in my BigCommerce store. So if I wanted to edit those further, I would simply click on them. If I wanted to add some images or other information that I didn't include in my CSV, I can go ahead and just edit those items right there. So that is how you can quickly use our import products tool to add new items to your BigCommerce store. I encourage you to sign up for a free account. It is free, YourStoreTools.com, and take advantage of all the free tools that we offer you to manage your BigCommerce store.